Have you ever been told your labs are fine, yet you feel like hell? In a world where normal is often mistaken for healthy, let's redefine what optimal really means. Today, we're blowing up one of the most dangerous myths in modern medicine that normal lab values equals good health. Let me say this clearly: normal is not the goal, optimal is, and they are not the same thing. This video is for educational purposes only. It is not medical advice. Please talk with your practitioner before starting or changing anything. Okay, what does normal even mean? Let's break it down. Lab values are based on population averages. In other words, they measure a big group of people, most of whom are sedentary, inflamed, overweight, insulin resistant, and already on medications. Then they take the middle 95% and say, that's the normal range. So if you fall within that, congrats. You're just as hormonally dysfunctional as the rest of the country. Here's the problem. Normal doesn't mean healthy. Normal means common. And in a sick society, normal is not what you want to be. These ranges are based on old, sick people. Do you want to be in the range of old, sick people? Well, go for it. Or you can claim to be optimal. That's where the magic happens. Let's compare hormone normal ranges versus optimal range for vitality. Check out the chart on the screen and compare the huge differences. Yeah, we're not talking 10 or 20 points here. We're talking the difference between feeling young or old. These numbers aren't high. They're where people feel best. And guess what? Every study that actually measures symptom relief, metabolic health, and quality of life shows the same thing. You need to be in the optimal zone, not the average zone. But here's what mainstream medicine does. A patient walks in feeling exhausted, depressed, brain fogged, and barely holding it together. Their thyroid stimulating hormone is 3.9. Their testosterone is 310. Their estradiol is 22. And the doctor says, you're in the normal range. You're fine. Except you're not. You're falling apart. But your labs are fine. Welcome to the gaslighting Olympics. Here's what's important to know. Lab numbers are a guide. They're not gospel. They do not predict symptoms or results. The only way to know if someone will benefit from hormone therapy is to try it and see how they feel. This is called medicine. Have you been told your numbers are normal, but you still don't feel well? Are you wondering if it's your hormones? Download my free Hormone, Harmony, or Habit quiz in the link in the description below to see where you lie. Okay, this is where we shift from data slaves to data savvy. The real question is, are your symptoms improving? Is your energy better? Are you sleeping, thinking, and loving like yourself again? That's how we know it's working, not whether your numbers make your insurance company happy. A lot of functional medicine gets pushback for using super-physiological levels. That just means levels above what's considered normal for the average adult. But let me ask you this. Do you want average strength? Do you want average libido? Average brain power? Or do you want exceptional? If you answered the latter, that takes exceptional levels. And guess what? The research shows that's where the benefits live. Look, there is no trophy for being barely inside the range. Optimal is not a crime. It's how we actually create health on purpose. And if your doctor can't see past the lab sheet to the human in front of them, well, you might need a new doctor. Here's what matters. Are you functioning? Are you thriving? Do you feel like you again? If the answer is no, then normal doesn't cut it. We don't chase numbers. We chase outcomes. If your numbers are normal and you're feeling like crap, you aren't aging. Check out the video on the screen to see what really happens when you age. and how hormones can stop it.